Why does this cabinet design cost more? There are two main reasons for a higher cost. The first reason is more straightforward. This design features a special door handle where the 45-degree is hidden on the underside of the top frame as seen here. For comparison, this is a standard door without the frame design. The frame design requires an additional piece of wood on top, and because of the unconventional shape, the ABS edging is more complex to do. There are 3 sides to ABS, while only one side for a standard door. Reason number 2 is more expensive mechanism. The swing doors for this design requires a different kind of hinge, and it is a lot more expensive compared to a normal hinge. This is because a standard door thickness is about 18 mm, but with the frame on top, it becomes double the thickness. A normal hinge anchors the door like this, but with a thicker door, it will hit onto the frames on the sides. The hinge we used will actually push out the door before anchoring it. Here is a video of a mock-up we did to test out the different hinges. For the bottom cabinets, drawers are a more straightforward option, but also generally more expensive. The spacing that you see here is deliberate. This is because we need to cater for the opening of the drawer, as you will see in this demo here. So yeah, this is why adding such details generally costs more. The way it's being built is different, and there might be certain limitations to the standard mechanisms. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching!